Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson, from theory to reality, simulating real-world network operations. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're diving into something super exciting that bridges the gap between those textbook theories and actually doing network stuff. We're talking about network simulators. No more just reading about routers. We're gonna practically build and break and fix them virtually. Of course, get ready to unleash your inner network architect. So, why bother playing pretend when you could be configuring real gear? Well, imagine learning to fly a jumbo jet without a flight simulator first. Yikes. Right? Network simulators are our safe space. They let us experiment without expensive hardware, without accidentally taking down the internet. Phew. And without having to buy a truckload of routers. It's safe, it's free, mostly, and it's infinitely repeatable. Make a mistake? Poof. Reset and try again. Genius. Pretty much anything you'd find in a real network. We're talking routers that forward packets like tiny postal workers, switches that connect everything like digital traffic cops, firewalls that guard your data like digital bouncers, and even end devices like PCs and servers. You can build entire mini data centers. Enterprise networks are just a simple home setup. It's like having an infinite supply of Legos. But these Legos run actual network operating systems. There are a few big names in the simulation game, and they each have their own superpowers. For beginners, Cisco Packet Tracer is like the friendly, drag-and-drop intro to networking. Then, for the more adventurous, we have GNS3 and EVE-NG. These guys let you run actual router and switch operating systems, giving you a truly realistic experience. We'll touch on all of them, but think of them as your personal virtual lab assistants, ready to help you build awesome stuff. Let's start with Packet Tracer. If you're just dipping your toes into networking, this is your best friend. It's super intuitive. You literally drag routers, switches, and PCs onto a canvas, connect them with virtual cables, and boom, you're building a network. You can configure IP addresses, set up basic routing protocols, and even ping between devices to test connectivity. It's like a network-themed video game where the goal is perfect communication. Ready to graduate from Legos to actual blueprints? That's where GNS3 and EVE-NG come in. Instead of just simulating the asterisk functionality, these tools let you run the asterisk actual operating system images from real network devices, like Cisco IOS, Juniper Junos, or Palo Alto firewalls. This means you get the full command line experience. The exact same commands you'd type on a physical device. It's like having a full rack of enterprise-grade gear sitting on your laptop, without the noise, heat, or hefty price tag. So, what can you do with all this virtual power? Think about it. Design a new network architecture from scratch. Test out a risky configuration change before applying it to a live network, saving you from a potential oops moment. Troubleshoot complex routing issues, or even prepare for your certification exam. Simulators are where you go from "I read about it" to "I've done it 100 times." It's where theory gets its hands dirty and turns into practical skill. And there you have it. Network simulation isn't just a cool trick. It's an essential skill for anyone aspiring to work with networks, especially as a data center engineer. It empowers you to learn, experiment, and master complex concepts without breaking the bank or critical infrastructure. So, my fellow network explorers, download a simulator, fire it up, and start building. Your virtual lab awaits. And the journey to becoming a network pro just got a whole lot more fun. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.